Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how we can use select in Power Automate. So usually the select operation is used for transformation or refining your data, or if you have a big array and you want to make it shorter, or if you want to remove the unnecessary field, at that time this is used. So let me create a flow. We'll see it through an example. So I'll go to instant flow. I will go to this manually trigger. I will say here this one has select operation, and I will click on create button. Okay, so the first thing is that we should have an JSON. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will simply create a compose, and let me define the data here. So what I will do, I will, as I need an array, so I need to put square brackets. So then I will say here, let me do this. I will create two records, and let me close this. And I will close this record as well. Here I will say product name. Let me say the product as keyboard. Okay, and I will specify quantity here. Let me say we have 5 quantities. And then I will say price. So let's say the price is 1000 rupees. Okay, and similarly I will do one entry here for my mouse. Let's say the quantity is 4, and let's say this is 800. Okay, and now let us say we need exactly this array only, but we need certain transformation. Okay, so what we need, so instead of this I should have something called total price. Okay, total price. So here also we should have total price, and I will say I want to make it as 5000, and here it would be 32, so it would be 3200. Okay, so we are going to see how we can transform this particular array something like this. So I will copy this and I will put this here, okay, into a compose. And the second thing is, as I need to use my data operation, so I'll go to data operation, and inside my data operation I'm going to use select. And here I need to choose my from, that would be my this compose. That is output of this compose. Okay, and here I want to, let's say even I want to change the product name as something like this, product name, total price. Okay, instead of this name I want something like this name. For that also I will go here, I will say product name, and as soon as you will click here, a new entry will get started, and here I will say total price. Inside my product name I will get value from here. Okay, so for that I will need to write an expression. Okay, so my expression would be simple. I need to write here item, and then here I need to specify question mark. Yeah, here I will put the exact name. So what is exact name? Exact name is product name. Okay, so this will get dynamically here. So I will say product name, and the second one is, let me click on add here. Okay, and here we go. Now we'll create Now we need to do multiplication of our quantity and price. So for that I need to use this multiply function. Inside this multiply function I need to pass both the numbers. So to pass my first number I will simply say item. I will open my these braces, I'll put question mark, and then I will put name. So I need to multiply quantity with what? I need to multiply quantity with price, and here I will put this and I will say price. Let me click OK. Okay, as the second attempt would get saved. Let's test this one. So let me save this and I'm going to test this manually. So I will run my flow now. So our flow runs successfully, and here if you see, this is our input, and at the output we get the exact same result. So when I will copy this and if I will paste this here, so you see we are getting exactly same output. So select is just used for your data cleaning, transformation, if you want to make shorter something. So here you will typically pass an array, and then here you can individually give name as per your requirement. Here you need to use item, your braces, comma, and you simply can pass your unique product name. You need this particular field. And here in this expression we have used multiply function. So let me do one thing. Let me go to peak code here and let me copy. And one braces is missing here. So here you see we get the quantity from here, and then we got the price from here, and eventually using this multiply function it is going to multiply both of them and the total price will come. So thank you for watching this video.